Welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you a few items I picked up, a few accessories for my DJI OSMO Action 4. It's pretty good by itself, but I just picked up a few small items here. When I bought the adventure pack, of course it came with this selfie stick and one of these clips, but I wanted to add a few more things for it to be a little easier for me. All these items, there'll be links in the description below. And I am an affiliate with them. They're all Ulanzi products. So if you use the links below to order, I will receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Same price. Okay, just want to let you know. But a lot of people use Ulanzi. Ulanzi is a good product. I haven't had any issues with anything I've used so far. The first item is one of their metal magnetic dual folding case. All right. Here is the original clip you get. All right, it's plastic. You got your thumb screw and you gotta, they're here. All right, so you gotta slide that down on there. All right, works good. Okay, now let's open this up. It's all metal. You got your clip. This is magnet too. You can feel it. It's pushing away, so you gotta have the name in the front. The difference between this is, all right, you got the clip. I mean, you got the regular GoPro, whatever, but these fold up. Fold up. You got the screw part here, so you can screw this up. Use this to screw on to one of the other tripods stuff, right? It's both, so you don't have to change out. I thought that's pretty awesome. Look at that, boom, picks right up on there. Pretty good. And I like the little different colors, red and black. So part OA 11, action. They say action 3, but it's action 3-4 compatible. Folded base. Okay, I got two of them. All right. When you buy this, you get the cage that comes with the camera. I don't want to put the cage in there. I don't want to put the camera in the cage because I want to be able to have access, to all the doors and batteries, all right, without having to pop it out of the cage. But you need the cage if you want to, do vertical. Okay, you want to do vertical film for Instagram, YouTube Shorts or whatever. You need the cage so it clips on here. No, you don't. Another product I got. This is a quick release vertical shot aluminum battery cover, OA-16. What this does, there it is. Metal door, okay, metal. It takes the place of your battery door. It's just push this. Boom. All right, take your door off. It should just pop off. There, popped off. Got your battery in it. And you can just pop this one on.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
For me to get this to work, there's a little pad here on the inside. I had to peel that off. Okay. Then you take this part here with the little groove and you put it right on there. And it closes. There we go. Okay. It wouldn't work. I couldn't get it to work. I couldn't get the door to close with the pad on there. So I took it off. Now you can just take it. There you go. Now you can do vertical shots. Okay? You need to. Another thing I got a chest strap. CM028. Let me open that up. Got its own Ulanzi quick magnet locking, quick connect right there. Okay. Comes with a phone holder if you need a phone, if you're going to use it for a phone. Well, let's use one of these quick connects here. I can get it in here. See how this works. Let me move the mic out of the way here.
One eternity later.
There, I got the strap on. I don't know. Okay. So, let's see. Put the camera in there. There we go. All right. Got adjustment straps here. You got some adjustment strap here. And then you just set this up to how you need it. You know why I got this? My wife likes kayaking. So, I got this so we can go kayaking and I can take pictures, take videos. Okay? That's what I got that for. And then you just push the button on here, magnetic release, boom, off. Look at that. I think I'll just leave that one right there like that. There's one of my things down. All right. My last item I got is MT50 tripod, mini tripod. Okay, let's open this up. Voila. It's already got one of the magnetic clips on there already. On a ball. Twist this, you can move this around. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Mini tripod. Boom. Put this look at that. All right. Boom. And this also extends, I think. Right? Does it extend? How did it extend? There we go. Got to pull real hard. Just a little, so then I can do my handheld. Not the big long one, little one like this. And then we could also use it as a, ta-da! That's what I got it for. Tabletop tripod. What do you think? All right. All these links will be in the description below. Ulanzi has I'll leave a link to their main website. They have a ton of stuff. I may pick up a regular tripod too to have around the house. But I'll leave that link in the description below. Check them out. Leave a comment below. What do you think about some of this stuff? You know what to do. Hit them all. Hit all those buttons. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.